Since I do so many of these cheated angle beginner's luck wraps, I thought I'd show you what the same wrap looks like over 3 different shapers. This is part of the reason that I do the same wrap so many times, is so that I can get used to the way it looks with different scarves, with different shapers. So I'm wearing this today over a Wendy shaper, what I have on right now. And one's hair never looks amazing after taking off the shapers. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like underneath a cloud, or over top of a Cloud 9 shaper. So I just tuck all my hair up underneath. And it's easier if you have longer hair, actually, because you can just pile it up in a bun. My hair is kind of right at the awkward in-between line, where it's too long to just tuck up really nicely, and it's too short to be able to pile up into a bun to tuck up really nicely. So now I'm just tying it in the back as per usual. And this shaper has quite a bit less volume, so you will notice that I have quite a bit more length and width of the scarf left over to work with. And actually this shaper, I only have it half stuffed. You can take some of the stuffing out. So now I'm just grabbing that corner, not the whole tail, just the corner of the tail. I'm doing that beginner's luck knot, and then I'm just draping the length and width of the rest of the scarf over my shoulder, and that's kind of how much is left in the back if I were to leave it down. Now this is a bobo shaper, and as you can see, I've just kind of tied my hair up in the back. This bobo behaves completely differently than other shapers just because it's a different shape. Got to make sure my ears are stuck out there, and it's good to tie your hair up in the back anyway so that it's not sticking out at the bottom, because that is definitely a hazard with this shaper where you don't have the velvet headband going all the way around to the nape of the neck. However, there's so much velvet on this entire shaper, the other shapers only have velvet on the headbands, that it can be a little bit difficult to place the material sometimes because it just is so sticky. So that's what this wrap looks like with this shaper. And there you have it.